Hey people, welcome back to another video on Startup Yourself. Help you more than videos in general? And do you want to learn money making online? Well, I got you, pal. Here are the top 20 books on making money online in 2021. But before we begin, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Alright, now, let's begin. Number 1. 101 Tips for Making Money Online. This book is penned by Jay Maletsky. This book gives you a step-by-step introduction to the world of e-commerce and the ways of earning through the web. It gives you a full plan and helps you execute it. Maletsky talks from experience and provides a very resourceful book that has 101 tips to strengthen your supplement income or a full-fledged income through the web. Number 2. Cyberbucks, Making Money Online. Kim Komando's book Cyberbucks talks about all the opportunistic ways of online marketing, web page designing, consumer research, product development, and more. She has good business logic and sense, which she applies to her book. Cyberbucks focuses on product marketing, ads, and building loyal customers. Komando also talks about things you need to avoid to build a loyal customer base. Number 3. System of Cash, Making of Money Online. This book, by a different Stephen King, dives into the tips and tricks of online money making. It provides authentic ways and sources to try out your luck with an online business. The book is easy to comprehend and provides concrete ways to follow a business model crucial for online businesses. Number 4. Drop Shipping. Brett Standard explains in his book why you should be dropping out of the expensive dropshipping course you've been taking up and read his book. He explains the importance of dropshipping and the way the model works, covering other numerous topics. He explains all the beginner mistakes he wants you to avoid by learning from his super easy book. Number 5. Honest Riches. Moral values should always be questioned. That's why Holly Mann provides an honest way of making money online through the blissful and bountiful internet. It has 10 full books in one, so you need not go far. This book is what they call the blueprint to online success, and trust me, it's not a hyperbole. This book is all you need to understand how these businesses really work. Number 6. Mommies Making Money Online. Raising kids is extremely hard, but the world of the internet makes it easier. 3 authors wrote this guide for moms who can stay at home and run their online businesses while staying at home with their children. This book helps you channel your skills and creativity and convert it into a successful business. Number 7. 99 Ways to Make Money Online. Alexander Mateus describes 100 ways to make it big on the internet. He has about 100 websites listed there where you can start with your online profile. Look for your niche and start earning. Mateus has listed actual working sites so that you can start working right away. Number 8. The ABCs of Making Money Online. Ray Boileau lets you readers in on the world of online money-making experts and explores their ways of online marketing. He teaches you how to create your brand and manage the stores online. It teaches the method of buying and selling products online with illustrations. It also teaches its readers how to write HTML to create their own storefront. Number 9. A little resource guide to making money online. This 82-page book is more than helpful when it comes to the fundamentals of online earning. It has all the A through Z procedures, step-by-step guide for starting an online business to legitimizing it. C.S. McIntyre does a wonderful job in his book. It also talks about the idea of making $5,000 per day using YouTube. Pretty great, right? Number 10. Making Money Online. Antonia Chitty and Erica Douglas co-authored this book. They have compiled case studies and educational chapters together to take their readers on a guide to building an online profile and keeping their followers and sales. Number 11. From Entrepreneur to Infopreneur. Selling information in the form of books and special reports and ebooks takes on a new perspective in this book, as Stephanie Chandler teaches her readers to incorporate this art into online selling, which includes books, ebooks, special reports, audio products, video products, seminars, and courses. Number 12. Make Money Online, 5 books in 1. Jack Foster explains his use strategies to apply to your business venture. He also states various ways of earning a passive income by staying home. Learn about investment ideas, analysis of a financial report, brokers and stocks and bonds and trade through this book. Number 13, turn your computer into a money machine. When it comes to new ventures, people often expect that you have experience, but this book teaches you to make your empire without any prior experience. Number 14, mutual funds on the net. Paul B. Farrell explains the importance of mutual funds on the internet and how over the years they have tripled themselves into trillion-dollar assets. He takes you down a step-by-step guide on how to mutual funds on the internet. Paul helps utilize online tools, choosing top funds and managers, and information about top online funds databases, which can help you understand all about mutual funds. So buy his book and learn to answer all the questions you've ever had about it. Number 15, The Neatest Little Guide to Making Money Online. This book has a 4-star rating on Amazon and has pretty good reviews on Booklist as well. His book is legit the neatest little guide you'll ever find on making your business a big hit online. Kelly covers all the complicated topics you and I never had a grasp on, such as stock markets, mutual funds, and personal finance, and explains them in the simplest of terms. Number 16, Make Money Online Series. Blake Webster talks from his year's worth of experience about online marketing. He teaches you the idea of an online presence and how to convert it into a concrete presence. He also says that it isn't that hard if your intentions are clear-cut. Number 17, multiple streams of internet income. Everyone wants more money than they are currently earning. In this new age of internet, side hustles are a great way to start doing that. Robert Allen pens down all the creative ways you can generate an income while keeping a permanent job, or you can eventually shift to a home-based job. Number 18, Make Money Online. Rob Branson takes you on a journey of his own as he counts back to the times when the internet helped him rise. He also claims that the internet has made getting rich easier and hot. He talks about that in this book. Branson does a phenomenal job in teaching his readers how to kickstart a business with zero prior knowledge and how to engage available sources such as Google to attract customers. Number 19, How to Make Money Online. This book by Mike Omar explores 10 websites that start their passive incomes as low as $500 per month. It also expands to the designing of a website portfolio. Everyone wants to make money literally every second of the day. This book is the concrete guide to make it happen and explore a whole new world of online earning. Number 20, YouTube Playbook 2021. This book talks about the most used online money-making platform of this century, YouTube. It jots down all the key strategies you need to apply to grow your channel and attract sponsorships, monetization, and ads. This book helps you overcome camera anxiety and engage efficiency with your audience and channeling their interests to help grow your channel. These 20 books will surely help you people in making good money online. It's a huge internet world out there. Using it to make dollars instead of just goofing around can take you a long way, so make sure you don't miss out on that. And this brings us to the end of our video. We hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't liked the video yet, it's not too late. Give it a thumbs up. We'll see you soon in another video.